to Harmony.
Hey everyone, welcome back.
Actually, we're back.
We're back, yes. It has been a minute.
Well, it's 2/3 of us.
Two-thirds of us, yes. Heather couldn't be with us today, but she will be in the next video.
Yeah, she'll join us again.
Yes, she'll join us again. But today we are going to do a song that you guys have been asking us over and over again, and we just want to apologize for taking so long to do it. But it is What a Beautiful Name by Hillsong United.
The Harmony tutorial?
Yes.
I'm going to cover the chorus first.
The chorus first, and then we're going to go into the bridge. So let's get right into it, right?
Can you move?
Yeah. So the melody of the song is very popular. We all know it. So we have the words because we don't really know it by heart. It goes like this.
Shame on you, Claudia.
Yeah. 5. What a beautiful name it is. What a beautiful name it is. The name of Jesus Christ, my King. What a beautiful name it is. Nothing compares to it. What a beautiful name it is. The name of Jesus. And that is the melody of the song. Learn that part first. I don't care if you're soprano, I don't care if you're tenor. Learn the melody first. Okay?
We always mention that. You start with the melody.
Absolutely. That will give you the core basis of the song. Let's go over the tenor harmony for this song, shall we? You ready?
Mm-hmm. What a beautiful name it is. What a beautiful name it is. The name of Jesus Christ, my King. What a beautiful name it is. Nothing compares to it. What a beautiful name it is. The name of Jesus.
Right, now let's go over the soprano. Yeah. Let's see if I remember. What a beautiful name it is. What a beautiful name it is. The name of Jesus Christ, my King. What a beautiful name it is. Nothing compares to it. What a beautiful name it is. The name of Jesus.
Oh, that was so beautiful.
But I guess the other would have worked too. What a beautiful name it is. The name of Jesus.
But doesn't it depend too if what the tenor's doing?
Yeah. What a beautiful name it is. But the tenor's always gonna do that.
That's true. What a beautiful name it is. Yeah, it would.
Tenor will always. What a beautiful name it is. The name of Jesus.
So it's soprano.
Mm-hmm.
Soprano that
What a beautiful name it is. All right. So what we're gonna do right now is demonstrate this chorus 3 different ways. So it will be the first way will be the melody with the tenor harmony. The second way will be the melody with the soprano harmony, and the third way will be the tenor and the soprano harmony with the melody out. So you guys, singing. Yeah, you'll be singing the melody, and you can also hear what it sounds like in context. You know? So let's start with the melody and the tenor harmony. What a beautiful name it is. What a beautiful name it is. The name of Jesus Christ, my King. What a beautiful name it is. Nothing compares to it. What a beautiful name it is. The name of Jesus. All right, melody and soprano. What a beautiful name it is. What a beautiful name it is. The name of Jesus Christ, my King. What a beautiful name. Right. What a beautiful name it is. What a beautiful name it is. The name of Jesus Christ, my King. What a beautiful name it is. Nothing compares to it. What a beautiful name it is. The name of Jesus. We hope you sang the melody there. All right, so now let's move on to
The bridge.
the bridge of the song. Okay, so for the bridge, we're going to keep that little stylistic part she did in the song. Yours is the glory. But the thing is, you can do it like, yours is the glory, if you want to keep it simple like the other part of the song. So, for example, I'm going to do it the simple, generic way. So, you have no rival, you have no equal, now and forever our God reigns. Yours is the kingdom, yours is the glory, yours is the name above all names. So that's the simple, generic way. Now the stylistic way she did on that second line was the third line. Yours is the kingdom, yours is the glory. So we're gonna keep that and teach you how to harmonize that part, okay? And the bridge. I don't know why I keep doing this.
But you know what would be very cool though?
What?
Because like if you sang the bridge twice, the first time you could do it that
The generic way,
and then spice it up the second time.
The second time, which is true.
Go up.
But we're just gonna teach you how to harmonize the spicy way. Okay? So let's I already sang the melody, so let's just go right into the harmony. We'll start with the tenor harmony.
You have no rival, you have no equal, now and forever our God reigns. Yours is the kingdom, yours is the glory, yours is the name above all names.
All right. Soprano harmony is you have no rival, you have no equal, now and forever our God reigns. Yours is the kingdom, yours is the glory, yours is the name above all names.
Make sure you take a great,
I messed up one
good
part.
breath.
Yeah. But let's demonstrate the melody and soprano first. And like she said, make sure you take a good breath. Okay, I'm not really a first soprano singer, but I'm just doing this for demonstration purposes. 5, 6. You have no rival, you have no equal, now and forever our God reigns. Yours is the kingdom, yours is the glory, yours is the name above all names. All right, now let's do melody and tenor.
I have a little bit of tension though, you know what I'm saying? You gotta be relaxed when you sing.
It's true. Like even me, I have a little tension in my face, but I need to relax my face when I'm singing.
Do a lot of.
Because I tend to smile a lot, and like that can be like real tense. But yeah.
What was that good?
Anyways, let's do this again. Melody and tenor. 5, 6. You have no rival, you have no equal, now and forever our God reigns. Yours is the kingdom, yours is the glory, Now let's do soprano and tenor. 5, 6. You have no rival, you have no equal, now and forever God reigns. Yours is the kingdom, yours is the glory, yours is the name above all names. So wish Heather was here because you guys could hear it in context. But we hope that this is helping you in a way to
push you.
Yeah, and stretch you a little bit to sing that melody when we're doing the soprano and tenor. You know, like try to fit things out, you know. Side note, right before we leave, there are 2 ways that you can do the tenor and the bridge of the song. So for the you have no rival, you have no equal, that's one way. The second way is you have no rival, you have no equal. And in context, I'll sing the melody and Dominic will sing the tenor. 5, 6. You have no rival, you have no equal. That's the first way. The second way is you have no rival, you have no equal. It all depends on your preference and how you think it sounds with the soprano note. Alright, so we hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. We try to make it as extensive as possible. So yeah.
It's funny because I tried to make it as short as possible.
Oh my gosh, and it's actually longer than expected, but hey, you know, when you want to learn, sometimes it takes a little bit of time to get stuff. So practice makes perfect. So you guys practice on and get your harmony on, and we'll see you in another video.
Yeah.
Hope you enjoy.
Bye.
Bye. You didn't want heaven without us, so Jesus, you brought heaven down. My sin was great, your love was greater. What could separate us now? What a beautiful name it is. What a beautiful name it is. The name of Jesus Christ, my King. What a beautiful name it is. Nothing compares to it. What a beautiful name it is. The name of Jesus. You have no rival. You have no equal. Now and forever our God reigns. Yours is the kingdom. Yours is the glory. Yours is the name above all names. What a beautiful name it is. What a beautiful name it is. The name of Jesus Christ, my King. What a beautiful name it is. Nothing compares to it. What a beautiful name it is. The name of Jesus. You didn't want heaven without us, so Jesus, you brought heaven down. My sin was great, your love was greater. Do that again. I'm sorry. You didn't want heaven without us, so Jesus, you brought heaven down. I don't like that. Let's do it. Let's do it one more time. You didn't want heaven without us, so Jesus, you brought sorry. This is like so blooper material. I'm sorry. There you go.
You went.
Well, you see what I'm saying, right?